Today I will be unboxing my Omega Speedmaster Professional with the whole briefcase. Even the briefcase has a protector. Comes with the operation book. Enough of the box and let's get into the watch. Great presentation. Comes with all these knickknacks. Speedmaster is a watch that you get if you like watches. It's a manual winding watch. It has great history. Now let's start the heartbeat of the watch. You're supposed to wind every day. Alright, let's test out the chronograph. The top button is to start and stop the timer. You always want to stop it before you reset by clicking on the very bottom button, otherwise the chronograph can be destroyed or something like that, something crazy according to the watch forums. And it comes with a magnifying glass to look at your scratches on the Hesalite. Alright, in your little compartment, a paperweight, put it on top of your stack of cash or whatever you guys have, and the tools to change the strap. I thought that was pretty cool. This actually got me into the whole watch world, this watch. So, something I'll keep for the rest of my life. And here's my modified needle strap. It was modified to wear thinner on my wrist. And it comes with the Velcro wrap that the astronauts wore around their spacesuit, I guess. Tried it on, it's not that comfortable, but I recommend all of my friends to get this Speedmaster Professional because of the fact that it's such a historical watch. I tell my friends, don't get a tag, don't get a Tudor, don't get a Oris, just save up a couple thousand more and get a Speedmaster. I don't have anything against those brands, but most of the time people get those watches just to have their quick fix. But once you have those watches, you regret it because you want the higher tier watches. Because this is a Hesalite, you can't see the movement. If you want to see the movement, get the sapphire version. I got the Hesalite crystal because that's the watch that went to the moon. Sapphire crystal in space was not recommended because sapphire crystal, when they break, they shatter and there's pieces everywhere. And I guess in space, you don't want crystals flying around. You don't want it to go in your eye. A Speedmaster is a must when it comes to a watch collector or even a watch enthusiast. So might as well start with one. If you want to wear this watch daily, I suggest you get the sapphire crystal. On camera, you can't really see the scratches on my Hesalite crystal, but in the sun, you will be able to see it. If you don't mind, get the Hesalite crystal. But if you do care, I suggest you get the sapphire crystal. A Speedmaster is a watch that most watch collectors must have in their watch collection. It comes with a beautiful bracelet. If you opt for the newer one, it comes in almost a Jubilee-like bracelet. It is a beautiful watch. I highly recommend people getting this watch. For as little as $5,000, you could get one pre-owned, or if you were to drop about $6,000, you could get one brand new. But it's one of a watch that you will keep for the rest of your life.